hungry.
Bro,
Like,
I keep frozen pizzas. Constant identification number 69.
Whatever you
It's
find
the
down in that
best.
flag-forsaken murk.
That's the best number to get, bro.
Throwing
What you
supply
talking
box.
about?
Requesting sentry.
Nah,
Calling down a sentry.
nah. Me that love eating that pussy, bro.
Requesting sentry.
Yeah, that's the noise you just took my. I was like, damn, bro.
My bad. I didn't realize you called your suit in yet, so I just called mine in. So I guess that plane is fucked already.
It's okay. It's okay. You just have to
Attacking
make
map.
sure
Northeast,
to
200
stay
meters. Requesting advanced
like
weaponry.
a little ways away from each other so you don't blow each other up.
Affirmative!
Freedom forever.
All right, pick your shit up. Get in and let's go. Let's
Are
go.
we
Let's go.
following
Let's
the yellow marker?
Supplies.
go. We got one right here on the purple marker. We have one, and then it's inside. Let's go.
Our way of life.
I got.
This one.
Launching nades towards them now, and I'll blow them up.
Got a sample.
I think I missed the first one. Nope, I got
Rare
it.
sample acquired.
Going for the next one.
Bug outpost spotted. Prepare to
Heavy right here.
exterminate. Heavy on my position.
And he killed me, but I think I got my nade in. Nope, I missed. Damn, I lost my fucking shit again.
On your MI6.
Thank you. And they go really quiet. Hello?
Hello?
Oh, okay. I was just making sure the game wasn't about to crash again.
Bugs. West.
Alright. I'm on your 6.
This is gonna be my last mission